Hey guys, this is Edward from Edward Labs. Welcome to my channel. Here we make quality tech videos that are really useful to learn something techy. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button below. Today we are going to see how to fix Wi-Fi connected, but no internet issue. Without wasting your time, let's get started. Open command prompt as administrator. Now check ping 8.8.8.8 to see the connectivity. You can see the ping response. Because my internet is working fine. Now type netshwlan show profile to check your connected Wi-Fi profiles. You can see mine is connected to Legends TP-Link. Now to delete this profile, you can type netshwlan delete profile name equals profile name. By deleting old profile, you can remove the old preferences of old profile. Here that profile is deleted, which we have connected to Wi-Fi but no internet access. Now once it's deleted, you can see no profile is available now. Also, you can't get any ping response because you are not connected to any network now. Now go to Wi-Fi option, type your password and hit next. Now as old profile is deleted, and new profile is created, you should be able to connect with internet without any problem. Now once connected, you will be able to get ping response. Also new profile will be created. And now you will be connected to Wi-Fi, and your internet will be working fine. Thanks for watching guys. This is how you can delete old profile and create new one when you are connected to Wi-Fi, but internet is not working. If you guys have any doubts or suggestions, you can comment below. Give this video a thumbs up if you have enjoyed the video. Also subscribe to this channel and help us grow. Your support helps us making more and more interesting tech related videos. Well, that's me signing off. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.